Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Again, going over our intraday swing and long perspective here on the SPY as we are leading into tomorrow's Fed rate hike, again at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. And then Jerome Powell will be speaking 30 minutes after we get that Fed rate hike data. Again, as we are looking to see if we can respect our 20-day crossing above our 50, we are looking to see if we can get that retest. For that possible continuation on higher, we want to continue to respect our 20-day here as we are just jumping above the up end of our channel here, looking for that proof of concept to give us that continuation here as we do have that increase in buy pressure, although continuing on down with decreases in buy pressure here overall. Where exactly may we be headed next? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Hit the like button if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you are a day trader, if you are looking for very volatile breakouts, we mentioned any pre-market news that you want to be watching before market open. If you are market prepping, looking for that pre-market news that you want to be watching, go to instables.com in the description below. And for only $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, let's jump into this one. So jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY again, as we are looking for confirmation with our 20-day crossing above our 50 for that respect here on our 20. We are leading into Powell tomorrow. So again, considering that we do need Powell to be speaking with a dovish tone tomorrow. Again, we will see exactly what he mentions. If we have soft landing, that is possible, is exactly what we do want to hear him say. Although we do have a possible bearish Powell. Again, after mentioning multiple times his Paul Volcker type of tone could be coming out. We don't know exactly what might happen, to be honest. A lot of people are predicting a possible major bearish move, although we do have our 20-day crossing above our 50. So a lot of people assume that Powell will listen to the markets for that possible reversal. Again, with our possible inverted head and shoulder overall here, looking to see if we can continue on above the upper end of our channel that we have not been breaking above here. Again, getting multiple rejections, false breaks here. Again, breaking higher here, looking for that continuation is exactly what we're looking for here. If we are assuming that we're going to continue on with this spike and again, continue on past 408, we do want Powell to mention that we are going to have possible soft landing to come. That is very key going into tomorrow. That is our intraday perspective. Now jumping over to the weekly chart, as you guys can see, we do have a development of a possible bullish move to come. We will see if we do get that continuation. Again, depending on what Powell mentions. Again, if we possibly get a very hawkish Powell, then in my opinion, we will be justified with our 20 days still below our 50. So again, we do want our 20-week moving average ultimately to cross back above our 50-week moving average to continue on above the up end of our channel here to make sure we do get that continuation. That's what swings are looking for. One thing that we really do like that we have been mentioning here on the SPY is that we do have, again, our EMA lines crossing above the median MACD on our weekly chart, showing us that possibility of that continuation. Again, swings, very much looking for that continuation here, in my opinion. We will see what Powell mentions going into tomorrow. Now, looking at our monthly chart, as you guys can see, again, the last couple of months, we did close with an engulfing candle to the downside. That also is a rejection on the up end of our channel. So we do not want that major hawkish Powell to possibly come in. Again, extremely hawkish would give us that follow through possibly with that engulfing candle and giving us a major sell-off again that would result and be justified with our prior 2 months on that engulfing candle. But what we are looking for to close this month on is to close again within our prior day's body here. We do want to see if we can close here for that possible bullish case scenario and possible continuation. Again, we will see exactly what he mentions. We have also initial jobless claims coming out tomorrow 1 hour before market open, and then we have JOLTS jobs coming out 30 minutes after market open. So again, tomorrow, super risky day. We had amazing breakouts today, even on a very risky day. But again, taking what the market gives us is exactly what we continue to do in the Instables room. And again, jumping back to our intraday perspective, what I would be looking for if we did continue on higher, again, broke above our 408 level, again, our prior rejection that we had when, again, we did have our prior CPI just before Powell spoke and had this sell-off here. What I would be looking for is to see if we can pass 410. Again, we have our prior rejection here at 416 here that I would be looking to see if we can test. And from 416, we do have a gap that we could fill here up to 421. So again, we do have a possible gap from 416 to 421 if we do continue on past 416. So again, we have room to run to the upside. We do have our 20 setting up for that possible continuation on higher, but we need Powell to confirm that he's not the ultimate hawkish Powell and possible Paul Volcker that he has been mentioning for the last few months. Again, we will see exactly what he mentions, guys. Very key. Now, again, with that said, again, guys, if you are a day trader, if you're looking for pre-market news that you want to be watching before market open every single day, if you're market prepping for the market every single day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout like today. Again, today we had an amazing breakout, for example, with MSGM, again, up 200% in pre-market, continued on higher above pre-market highs at about 243%, and broke above 700% on the day. This is the largest breakout that we had just on the day today. We look for these major breakouts. We mention these major breakouts and pre-market news before market open every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you instables, I appreciate you guys. Again, continue to take what the market gives us. Again, very nice breakouts today, although staying cautious as we are leading into Powell tomorrow. Very curious what Powell will mention going into tomorrow. I'm hoping that he's more, again, dovish than hawkish. But again, we will see what he mentions. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in pre-market.